Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming at you with another non-phone work from home job lead. This one is a temporary seasonal position, but before we get into all of the details, if you're new here, this channel is all about searching the internet, looking for the best work from home jobs available, and bringing them to you on a daily basis. So if you don't want to miss out, make sure you're subscribed, have those notifications turned on, and as always, the links to everything is in the YouTube description box below. So if you're interested in a job that I share, you can get those applications in. Today's job lead is from the company Rooster Teeth. Now this is Rooster Teeth Productions, and they are hiring a support representative. This is a temporary role for the seasonal position. This is remote work from home within the United States. But customer support does not always mean being on the phone. They are looking for someone for the holidays to help provide product and shipping information and resolve any emergent problems that their community faces. So you'll manage a high volume of support chats and emails. You'll update customer account information as needed. You'll provide in the emails and chat accurate, valid, and complete information about the Rooster Teeth brand and their partners. You'll take the extra mile to engage the customers. You'll identify any of the customers' needs and help them to achieve satisfaction. Now, as far as who they are looking for, it says if you have previous email support customer service, that's a plus. Previous e-commerce or retail experience is a plus. You need to read and write English fluently, and you need to be able to work flexible hours within the hours of 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Central Standard Time, and that may include some weekends and overtimes during the holiday season. So that is all the qualifications that they list. So as long as you are flexible, you can read and write and do customer service, this is for you. Now, one thing, they did not list the salary. That would have to be discussed at the time of the interview. Now, I have also linked Rooster Teeth's GlassDoor page down below for you to check it out. They do have quite a few reviews from previous people who have worked with them. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.